Mily from POWEROAD. I'm excited to introduce you to our power battery test system, a vital component ensuring the optimal performance of our air cooling and liquid cooling ESS. At POWEROAD, quality is our top priority. That's why every ESS that rolls off our production line undergoes rigorous testing using this system. This system comprises AC and DC power modules for stable power distribution and precise charge and discharge operations. And it has a robust monitoring system with backup power ensures uninterrupted control and data recording even during communication interruptions with the main computer. With a maximum power of 450 kilowatt and a voltage level of 1650 volts, our testing system boasts an impressive efficiency of 95%. It monitors key metrics such as voltage, current, battery temperature, and individual cell data to ensure the highest standards of performance and reliability. So, when you choose POWEROAD, you're not just getting a product, you're getting peace of mind knowing that it's been tested and proven to deliver optimal performance in any situation.